Hey everyone, it's Justin from the Kleen-Rite Sales Department, back again today to talk about a weep gun assembly kit that we have available. That's our part number GUK600W-C, and that pretty much includes everything that you see here. We have a weep spray gun that has a 3/8 hose connection for your hose line. We also have a rubber gun guard that you put on the top of the gun to protect the tip and the gun from damage. We also have a stainless steel wand and a black insulated wand protector, which is already installed. And then we also have a nozzle protector that's included in the kit. So basically assembling this, it's pretty straightforward, it's pretty simple. You're essentially just going to want to screw the wand into the gun itself like this. Get that in there tight. And then you would take the spray tip, you would put that inside the nozzle protector, and then you would shove this onto the top, make sure it's nice and tight. The spray tip does keep this in place so that it doesn't fly off or anything. And then at that point, you would basically connect your hose to the bottom of the gun where the water would come in, and then you're ready to go. It is important to note that the spray tips, they are not included in this kit. They come separate, but we do have plenty of those available. But that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out. Appreciate you watching.
Kleen-Rite.